The Skullcandy Indy versus Apple AirPods 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look on how the Skullcandy Indy compares with the Apple AirPods 2. I have done a complete unboxing and review on both of the earbuds in my previous videos. They will be available at the end of the video and in the description below, along with the product links. I will go over some brief specs, take some measurements, provide microphone samples, and give my final thoughts. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. And just to go over some brief specs, the Skullcandy Indy has the following: 4 hours of listening time, 16 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, it has touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IP55 sweat, water, and dust resistant. The Apple AirPods 2 has 5 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, Bluetooth 5.0, it has touch controls, and also the Hey Siri function. The charging case uses a lightning adapter and also has wireless charging. It's not sweat-proof or water resistant. Here you see the charging case side by side. Both are made of plastic, and the Indy case is definitely larger. They each have the LED indicator on the front of the case. The Indy has a micro USB charge port on the bottom, and the AirPods have the lightning port. The back of the Indy is plain, while the AirPods has the pairing button. And here is the AirPod case on a wireless charger. You can see it charge. You can also purchase the AirPods 2 without the wireless charging case. The lid on the Skullcandy case is firm and it closes nicely. The earbuds are held into place by magnets, so it's pretty secure inside. The AirPods case is also solid, and the earbuds are held into place by magnets. The Skullcandy Indy earbuds are plastic all around, and it features the following. It has touch controls, LED status, a stability gel, interchangeable ear gel tips, a microphone, and the charging contacts. Controlling the earbuds are done by tapping on the outside, and I have detailed the controls in my previous review video. And here it is side by side. The AirPods is also plastic all around with a slim stem. It features the following. It has the microphones, battery, antenna, dual optical sensors, dual accelerometers, and the H1 chipset. It also has the touch controls on the outside along with the Hey Siri commands. And here is a side-by-side look of the earbuds. The AirPods is definitely slimmer. And now for some measurements. The Indy case comes in at 2.5 by 2.2 by 1.1 inches. The AirPod case comes in at 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 inches. The Indy earbud is about 1.6 inches long and the stem is about 0.3 inches wide. The AirPod is also 1.6 inches long, and the stem is 0.2 inches wide. Weight-wise, the Indy case is 48 grams, and the AirPod case comes in at 41 grams. The Indy earpods come in at 11 grams, while the AirPods come in at 8 grams. And now for some microphone samples. This is a test of the Skullcandy Indy microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test from the microphone of the Apple AirPods 2. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I found that the AirPods microphone was clearer and louder. When it comes to watching videos, both earbuds perform well, and I didn't experience any latency using my iPhone. They also had good range. One thing to keep in mind, if you want to use the Indy on one ear, it would have to be the right side, as that is the master. On the AirPods, you can use either the left or the right side individually. So here are my final thoughts on the earbuds. I always start off by saying sound can be subjective and everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I have the Skullcandy Indy on my right ear and the AirPods 2 on my left. Starting off with comfort, the design is a bit different as the Indy goes into your ear canals and the AirPods just sit outside. So the AirPods for extended periods of time are much more comfortable than the Indy. But the Indy does fit well and feels more secure with the stability gel. Build and quality, I would have to say the Indy. They both feel durable and both have a plastic feel to them. Design-wise, the AirPods are a bit more compact and portable, but the Indy stands out because it has the IP55 rating, so that is definitely a plus for those that lead active lifestyles. When it comes to sound, starting off with the lows, the Skullcandy Indy definitely had a lot more bass than the AirPods. Both weren't overblown. And don't expect heavy, hard bass from these earbuds. Mids and highs, in my opinion, were very good on both, and it's hard to differentiate between them. You can hear vocals and instruments with clarity, and it's very clean. So when it comes down to it, I feel that the Skullcandy Indy has terrific value at its price point. And it's definitely an alternative to the Apple AirPods 2. It can appeal to those that have active lifestyles or just want to use it for casual listening. The AirPods price point is definitely higher and it will be hard to justify with the many competing earbuds at a lower price. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.